If you buy a property at MRP, especially an apartment, and desperately rent out at JRP, your wealth will be at RIP. Rest in peace. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Arvind Jain, a lawyer turned property and cashing expert. I help HNIs build a great cash pumping property empire. I save retail investors from the glitter of the real estate world and I bring them into a reality. I save tons of money for real estate investors. We get mesmerized by the ads of Nike and Reebok shoes. They show sports celebrities running up a hill, running down a valley, and we feel that by wearing those shoes, even we will be able to run up a hill and down a valley. And people will associate that level of fitness in our personality. So we pay a premium of 4 times or even 10 times to buy those shoes. But that is just an investment of 10,000. It doesn't affect your lifestyle in a great way. So it's okay if you do it. But when you buy properties, don't get mesmerized, don't get overblown, don't get mad by the full page ads of great projects or by the great artistic impressions or by the great video artistic impressions of those projects. Don't get overwhelmed by the walk-in videos. There is nothing like a good investment or there is nothing like a bad investment. There is only a good investor and a bad investor. A good investor always buys an investment at a discount. He may buy it at a 20% discount, at a 40% discount, or at a 50% discount. The bigger the money he invests into an investment, the greater the discount he is going to pull in, the greater he is going to bargain at it. Whereas a bad investor who gets mesmerized by these ads ends up buying investment at a 10% premium, at a 20% premium, or at a 50% premium. Now, after buying those investments at a premium, the first shock he gets when he goes out and he tries to rent those properties or put those properties on rent. He would have normally thought that that the rent for 36 months or 3 years, the rent for 48 months or 4 years, the rent for 60 months or 5 years will pay off back his investment into that apartment or into that project. But when he actually goes into the rental market and tries to get a tenant, he realizes that even he is not able to recover those investments by giving it on rent for 100 months, that is 8.5 years, or even for 200 months for almost 17 years. Then the solace or the hamdardi which he gets from all his relatives, brokers and friends is, don't worry, the property value will increase and you will be able to recover your losses. Now remember, the point of multiplying wealth is loss. It is mainly to recover your losses, so you are holding on to a property. And zabardasti, you rent this property at JRP. I pray that you get a good tenant for JRP. If you get a bad tenant for JRP, that is a desperate, just rented prices. JRP, desperate, just renting prices. If you get a bad tenant at JRP who drags you to the court and doesn't pay your rent on time, this investment has already gone into losses. You could better write it off. Now this investment is going to suck money from your pocket just to survive or just to pay you back. So after letting it on rent for 5 years, 10 years or 15 years, now when this investor goes to sell this investment in the market, he gets the bigger shock of his life. No longer that project has a brand equity what it had when he had bought it. Now the developer and the brokers are busy selling some new projects which they have developed recently. Now this project is no longer being advertised, so it no longer has the brand equity. Today Cokes and Pepsi stop the advertisements, they lose their brand equity. Today Colgate, if they stop the advertisement, they lose their brand equity, maybe in a matter of a year or two. To maintain a brand equity, to command a brand premium, you have to continuously advertise your products. So now when the developer has stopped advertising that project, the project has lost its brand equity and it is competing with all the other commodities available in the market. So it is competing so it is just getting a 5% or a 10% premium from the neighborhood. And that brand equity, what he paid for when he bought that project, is all gone down the drain. So remember my advice, when you buy at MRP, you will have to desperately rent it out at JRP and your wealth will be at RIP, rest in peace. When you are buying investment, don't be driven by advertisements. Never be driven by advertisements. Be driven by the value what that investment is going to add to you or to the next purchaser. This is very important. This is Arvind Jain, a lawyer turned property and caching expert. Continue to watch my videos. Subscribe to my channel. I will show you many great ways by which you can mint money out of properties. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.